Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus Nord CE 5G, and I'll show you how to customize volume panels with volume style app on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store, and here on the search pool type volume styles. Now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a few seconds while application installing on your device. Now just open the app, and here on the right upper corner tap to start. Now just here tap on the accessibility service switcher and go to the volume styles app, and here tap once on the volume style switcher to just use the application. Now here click yes, I agree, and as can you see here we got all available volume panel that you can choose. And for example we can try the iOS one, and now here we'll on the left side of our device we get the volume buttons. Just tap here, press one the up or down volume button, and as can you see that our volume panel is really close to the iOS one. Now we can go a little bit down, and for example we'll try the wave one, and now we'll just go to the main screen, and as can you see we got here really changed volume panel changed to the wave one. And now we'll go back to the application, and here you can select of course the another volume panel if you want, and if you want just to stay with your default volume panel, just tap here on the right upper corner to stop. And now as can you see we just use our default volume panel. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.